Assalamualaikum ji, this is Dr. ASIM Khalid. This is 13 years old cat brought to us in emergency. She was gasping for air with open mouth breathing. We did his x-rays and found something bad in the throat. Accordingly, because his condition was not good, with the permission of the client, we put this cat under gas anesthesia, and what we have found in her throat, this piece of flesh she ate from somewhere, it was right on the windpipe, on the entry of the windpipe, the trachea. And the moment we removed it, the bluish tongue, it turned pink, and the cat is recovering now. And before that, she was gasping for the air, and the respiration has become normal now. Thank you.